So in this question, we are going to look at tool creation. So we are going to create a tool for plasma cutting, and then after that, we are going to create a new tool crib called tool crib plasma, and then we are going to put this new tool inside this tool crib in our technology database. So let's start by going to our technology database and then making these changes. Alright, so in our database, you can see we have this active tool cribs already present, and we have this also present, the one we created previously. So we are going to go to milling tool, so flat end mill. So here with this first tool active and selected, we are going to make a copy and edit the information. So a copy has been made. So we are going to edit the information. So the tool ID, according to the question, is this 1mm plasma dia. So the subtype here, you are going to use finishing. You are using finishing because you are doing plasma cutting. So plasma cutting cuts using melting, unlike the traditional milling where we do shearing. In plasma cutting, we melt the material. So it makes sense to use finishing instead of using a roughing before a finish. So we are going to stick to finishing as our subtype. So shank diameter, our diameter here is 1. Shank diameter is 3. Shoulder diameter, shoulder shoulder diameter, overall length 39, foot length 4, protrusion 8, shoulder length 4, hand of cut right hand, number of flutes 2, material carbide, the comment. So cutting parameters, surface meters per minute. Alright, stock material group name, defaults. So X, Y feed rate is set to 800. Z feed rate is set to 800. Leading feed rate 400. Lead out feed rate 400. Coolant type off. Alright, so we are going to save this to alright, so the tool has been saved. So now let's go back and make a copy of our tool crib. So I'm going to make a copy of this empty tool crib, and we are going to rename this copy. So you are going to edit, you are going to rename it to tool crib plasma. So total station, let's set it to 5. So you can set it to any number, but just make sure that the number of tools inside this tool crib is not more than the 2 station. Alright, so we are going to add just a single tool, which is the one we created. So we are going to add this tool, select. Alright, so from here you can see the tool has been added to the tool crib. So let's go back. So you can see here the two crypt plasma has been added to the database. All right.